Hello friends, hope you're doing good. As you all know that making videos, music, websites, images and presentations have been very much easy in today's time. But you have to know the right kind of tool to generate them. So there is this one tool which can do all of these things along with some other features, and the name of that tool is Peasy AI. So in this tool all you need is simple prompts, and using those simple prompts you can generate some amazing results. So without further ado, let's dive in and test this tool and see how it works. So first of all, go to the official website of Peasy AI. For that you can either type or click on the link in the description below. Once you go to the official website, then you will need to log in using your email ID. Once inside, this would be the interface of Peasy AI homepage. Here you see a prompt box where you can type anything that you want to generate, whether it be slides, building a website, generating images, music, videos and many more. On the left here, you see all the features available on this tool. You also see a recent update of Marky Agent here, which we will explore in a bit. Here you see an unending list with features like generating workflows, AI videos, images, music, etc. Now let's go and try its music feature. We will click on the music option from here, and then it will provide some options from where we can choose one based on our needs. We can also type our prompt here as well, but we will go with this option now. Let me click it, and here you see my automatic prompt is ready, and then it will start processing. Then it will take some minutes before compiling the complete music. After a moment it has shown me this error, but it's completely fine. Just click on continue and it will start processing again. After a couple of minutes my music is ready and I can download that now. Let's listen to it and see how it looks like.
From the moment that I saw you, time stood still, the world went quiet.
I think within 5 minutes, Peasy AI has generated an amazing composition. I really appreciate it, by the way. In our song, only female vocals were used, but if you want a male voice or a mix, then you just write a prompt and the changes will be applied soon. Now let's make slides using Peasy AI. For that, just click on the slides option here and then choose any particular templates of your choice. After that, you can write your prompt here in the prompt box and enter. In a moment, it will generate slide 1. Then it will give a preview based on what it will generate in the remaining slides. If you like the preview, then click yes, continue, or choose any other option if you want any changes. Once you click continue, it will then start generating information from various sources online and try to bake your presentation with research based data. In a moment, my slides would be ready, which I can download in PDF or PPT format. Once downloaded, I can then open them in my PowerPoint and present them. Another feature we will explore in this video is the Marky Agent feature, which I feel like is one of the best features of this tool. You just click on this option of Marky Agent and you will land on this page where you are talking with the agent actually. Let me ask a basic question. What can you do? And it gives me a detailed list of what this agent is good at. I can simply ask something like, can you generate a spreadsheet for my budget planning? And in a moment, it will generate a detailed spreadsheet for me. If you want this spreadsheet, then you can simply send me an email and I'll provide this to you. The sheet seems awesome and it can be edited. It gives a lot of idea about how you can plan your budget. Here you see there are different sheets with different headings. There is dashboard, then there is income, then you have the expenses category, and then the categories which includes housing, utility bills, etc. And then there is this 12-month overview which you can fill based on your expenses. And then you also have a feature of how to use this budget planner, and then it has given you a detailed list or a detailed steps of how you can use it. So that's how we can use Peasy AI to make music, presentations, spreadsheets and many more. And Peasy AI is good at its job. You can try it for free, but overall it is a paid tool. So if you want to try this tool, you can just click on the link in the description and let us know in the comment section which feature did you like the most. So that's it from Teacher Friend in today's video. Hope to see you in the next one. Until then, goodbye and take care.